All right, guys, welcome back. This is question number 10. We have a situation where somebody's doing research and they're presenting it to a scientific journal. Question asks, professional scientific journals would most likely reject an article for which of the following reasons? Once again, we have another most likely question. These can be kind of challenging. Best strategy is to eliminate any answers that don't seem good. I'm going to start with B. Option B says research is not done on analyzing quantitative data. Quantitative data is data with numbers. This is definitely not a good answer, right? You can have qualitative data, right? An example of qualitative data off the top of my head, companies can survey their company or their customers about their experience on an app, right? Utilizing or maximizing customer experience, but does not have to be quantitative data. So B, not a good option. A says the results of your finding contradict previous findings. There's nothing wrong with that. That means, well, could mean a bunch of things. You could be measuring a value that doesn't actually have a correlation. You could have experimental error. You could have procedural error, right? Just because your results do not match a previous results, that does not tell you anything. So A, not a good option already. Hopefully you could always get down to 2 to give yourself a 50-50 guess. Let's look at the other ones. D says the results are not accompanied by the explanation of a theory. If we remember the scientific method in the steps, you start with an observation, then you make a hypothesis, you test that hypothesis with an experiment, you analyze the data, you make your conclusions about that data, and every once in a while, that data is duplicated by everybody over and over and over again. It becomes an emergent truth, and we call that a theory. But you do not always get theories. Most of the time, you do not get a theory. So D, not a good option. This leaves us to C, which is our correct answer, that the article lacks information about the study. One thing about the scientific method is it's supposed to be reproducible, right? You need to show the steps, what you did, how you did it, so somebody else can duplicate it. They can either try to reinforce what you got or maybe find some errors. So in this case, C, lacking the steps of your study is a reason why your article might be rejected. This was number 10.